For all recipe notifications, click on this bell icon and never miss a video from Rajshri Food.
Today, I'm going to show you a paratha which is loaded with vegetables, paneer and potatoes. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani and let's see my version of Mughlai Paratha. Let's start with making the filling first, for which I'm going to heat up 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in 1 onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute this for a minute. Next, let's add in half a cup of finely chopped capsicum. With this, let's add in all the other vegetables. There's half a cup of finely chopped cabbage, half a cup of finely chopped carrots, half a cup of finely chopped green peas, half a cup of finely chopped cauliflower. Cook all these vegetables for around 2 to 3 minutes on high flame. And now let's add in all the masalas. First goes in 2 green chillies finely chopped, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of Amchur or raw mango powder, salt to taste. Instead of Amchur or raw mango powder, you can use juice of half a lemon. Let's add in half a cup of coriander leaves finely chopped. And now 100 grams of grated paneer. Also 1 potato boiled and mashed. Mix all these ingredients properly. And this mixture is ready. Let's turn off the flame and let it cool down. Let me explain a little bit about the dough. For the outer covering, take 1 cup of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all these ingredients with a little bit of lukewarm water and make a dough. Now usually we make parathas by stuffing the filling into the dough and then rolling them. But personally, since it's a plain flour dough, I find it a little raw when it's cooked, especially from inside. So the twist that I have done is I've made half roasted rotis out of the same dough. And I've just half roasted them on a pan without any oil or butter or anything, just till you get a few spots. And now I'm going to fill the filling in this. Now fold the roti in an envelope fold. Hold it from one side. Apply some plain flour paste. I've just made this paste with some water and plain flour. Let's fold the other side. Make sure it overlaps so that it sticks together. And now let's seal it from the other ends. Let's keep this aside and in this way, let's make the remaining parathas. Time to roast these parathas. You can make these parathas and keep them ready, and just before serving, you can start roasting them. Let it cook on either sides without oil for a few seconds. Let's flip it over. Drizzle a little bit of oil. Flip it over again. The advantage of making these parathas with these half-roasted rotis is that it cooks all the way through and the dough doesn't taste raw from inside. Cook it till you get nice golden brown spots. Hold the parathas vertically so that you can cook on the sides as well. On the other side. And these are done. Let's get them off the pan. Let's cut them into half. You can even use wheat flour instead of using plain flour to make these half roasted rotis. You could also make them earlier and store them in a box. To save time, you can use ready-made tortillas because the filling is the hero. So do try these lovely Mughlai parathas at home. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.